Presentation. How to grow a bulb in a bottle. First of all, I would like to say good afternoon teacher and good afternoon everyone. My name's Orntheta and 20 years old. I study English in level elementary with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. Today I'm very glad to do the presentation and my topic is about how to grow a bulb in a bottle. The best time to grow bulbs is in the spring. We usually plant bulbs in the garden or in a pot, but you can plant a bulb in a bottle. First, I have to fill a bottle with water and put the bulb on top of the bottle. Next, you should cover the bottle with a paper bag. You have to put it in a dark cupboard so the bulb can start to grow. Then, you should move it to a sunny place, because flowers need sunshine. You should put more water in the bottle every few days. You have to do this carefully, because you shouldn't move the bulb much. A bulb in a bottle is a great way to grow pretty flowers. That's all about my presentation. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.